boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, 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 get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me today. It's Mother's Day weekend. It's a great weekend for mothers. All you mothers out there, happy Mother's Day, starting with mine. It's a great day. We've got great weather in the desert Southwest. Things are going to be really, really great today. I have a couple things for you here. 3 stocks that I want to tell you about that have huge upside potential. Now, these marijuana stocks you can latch on to. You people 20, 25, 30, 35, 40-year-olds, these are stocks that you can latch onto, and basically they, I believe, can make your career, your marijuana investing career. I look at stocks like back in the day when I was trading the .coms. I look at stocks like AOL. I latched onto early. I was able to make a mini fortune just on one stock and trading in and out and holding that stock for periods of time. I was able to do very well. But first of all, you guys know I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm an author. I do research. I write books. My books can be found on Amazon.com. Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks, where I list over 40 stocks. I also have a strategy in there that you can use on any market for the rest of your life. Investing in medical and recreational cannabis, buying before, during, or after legalization. These companies that I mentioned in there, there's a lot of legalization going on. You'll get the early edge when you read these books. Promising medical marijuana and CBD treatments. As you know, last year, 2018, there was a FDA drug approved. There are more in the pipeline. There's going to be a lot coming. These 3 books, the nucleus of your cannabis education. Amazon.com, you can go to the Cannabis Education series and you'll get these 3 books. I have others for you and I'll tell you about here in a second. But you're listening here today. You tuned in because you want to know what my huge upside marijuana stocks are. The ones that huge upside potential. Start here with you. These stocks are under $3. You have to be patient with them. They're under $1 billion market cap. They're small cap stocks. They're stocks that right now are just getting their mojo. They're just getting started and they're doing exceptionally well. They may have dipped. The market goes up, the market goes down. We've got a lot of geopolitical activity happening right now. So it depends on, the S&P but on dips, these are 3 stocks that I've been purchasing definitely on dips because I think they have huge upside potential. The first one, this company announced $5.5 million in revenue for the month of March. Now, that's just from their superstore, their entertainment superstore in Las Vegas. I'm talking about Planet 13. I'm talking about PLTH in Canada. I'm talking about PLNHF on the over-the-counter market here in America. Now, this thing is way undervalued. Think about it, my friends. There are companies out there that have a higher price right now than Planet 13, and they've made maybe $5, $6, $7 million the whole entire year. Planet 13 is making 5, 6. They're going to be making 7 million in a single month, my friends. This is way, way undervalued. It's going to get higher and higher, bigger and bigger. They're expanding. They're launching products. I have a disagreement with the Motley Fools. They call it the Walmart of cannabis. I call it the Disneyland of cannabis because of the one store and how they're going to be the biggest pony around. They are the biggest pony around, according to co-CEO there, according to Bob. They are big time. Like I said, they're the Disneyland Motley Fools. Mickey D is right on this one. They've only November. They've only been open since November. They haven't had a chance to have a full earnings cycle yet. So we'll see how they do. Once again, that's PLTH in Canada. That's PLNHF over the counter in America. It's my first stock that it's huge upside potential, Planet 13. My second stock that has huge upside potential is Tilt Holdings. TILT in Canada, SVVTF. Now, they have a scalable business-to-business model that I believe the income coming from all these... See, first of all, there were 4 companies that kind of consolidated into one. So they've got these multiple streams of income. They're in these multiple states. They're servicing hundreds and hundreds and thousands of dispensaries. The all types of... I'm thinking that... I didn't give you a price on Planet 13. I will here in a second. But Tilt Holdings, they're from their current levels right now, if they go up to $3 USD, that's about 100% gain. Now, I think they're going to go a lot higher than that. But just if they do that right now, that's 100% gain. Also, you're looking at... go back 1 second to Planet 13, because I didn't give you a price target on that. If you're looking at Planet 13 right now, it's about just a little over $2 USD. So you go to maybe $4 or so, that would be a double. It would you double your money. But if you're looking at Planet 13 and the analysts have it way up higher. And I agree with the analysts that Planet 13 should be considerably higher than $4 or $5. But with that said, Planet 13, Tilt Holdings, all types of income, huge upsides. Third stock I'm going to tell you about is the Green Organic Dutchman. Now, everything has been put in place for the Green Organic Dutchman to really take off this particular summer. This summer, the Green Organic, they're going to be starting, their production, the numbers, everything should be good for the Green. They'll start reporting big time numbers, and they'll do TGOD on the New York on the Canadian Stock Exchange, TGODF on the over the counter. Now, they produce weed. That's what they do. They're weed sellers. That's what they do. Like I said, everything's been set in place for them right now. There's that big push this summer. Now is their time. Very experienced management. Organic, they can get higher prices because they grow organic. Lots of capacity. Multiple countries. They're building a beverage facility. They're just starting. Now, if they execute, I see the Green Organic Dutchman with no more excuses. They're going to execute, and the average analyst has them about $550 USD. That would give them about a 50% or so from their current levels right now. But I see them much higher in the next year. I see them much higher. So those are my 3 huge upside marijuana stocks. You let me know what you think your 3 huge marijuana stocks are. Looking at Planet 13, Tilt Holdings, and T-God. Those 3 right there are my top huge upside marijuana stocks. Now, with that said, I have a couple more books I want to tell you about. Largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world is out there right now. We've been talking a lot about what's going on in Italy. We've been talking about a lot of what's going on in other countries, like the country of Africa, which Canopy has gone over, and they've purchased Supreme Cannabis is over. Now there's been a deal done with Freedom Leaf, with Mr. Perry, Freedom Leaf Health. They've done a deal there. Also, our latest book, Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow, companies you can get into, hold on, and grow rich. Now, this is a mini book because the market is changing, so I wanted to get these out to you. These companies are very valuable companies in here that I wanted to get out to you. And I think it's very, very important. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We're boots on the ground. What we do is we do physical analysis, which is going to the place and finding out what's going on. If the building is there. Yesterday, we were over at 1933 Industries. We got to look inside the building. We know they're working. We know there's an actual building there. We know there's a lot going on there. We know sooner rather than later that building's going to be open. But there are several others. Go ahead and binge out on the scoop this weekend. Enjoy yourself. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers again. Love you. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Like, comment. It all helps the cause. God bless you.